Electric typewriters are used in many offices. They are faster than manual machines and require less energy. A larger number of copies may be made at one time, and copy is more even. Paper is inserted quickly, and an impression control or type element is set for the number of copies. The carriage is returned by a quick flick of the finger. Repeat keys speed up underlining or decoration. Some machines have both fabric and carbon ribbons. Carbon ribbons are one-time ribbons which give a crisp and clean-cut impression for special letters to important customers. Note the shorthand notebook holder. For typing multiple original letters, we may use an automatic typewriter.